G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see is a reflection of the lights off some of the water. There's a few pieces that have been marked out like this with a permanent marker. That's what the black is. Anyway, we'll pick them up and go through them quickly. This piece is potchy, but got a nice flash across it sometimes if you get it in the right reflecting light. Blues, greens. Couple of stones there. This will need a Dremel to finish it off. It's undulating. Same with this piece. Pinky red, that bit. Little green bar there, make a little long stone. Piece with the markings on it. Nothing spectacular. This has already been polished across the face there, then cut off for some reason. Same as this little piece, it's been polished to a point. Back hasn't been. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed those. Cheers.